The dream of effortless earnings, passive income in 2024. Imagine a life where your money works for you, even when you're not actively working. Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Feeling drained and unfulfilled by the daily routine? Imagine waking up to money in your account, earned while you slept. It's not just a fantasy, it's a real possibility. That's the allure of passive income, and it's more attainable than ever in 2024. With the right strategies, you can make it happen. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about sustainable strategies to build wealth with minimal daily effort. These methods are tried and tested. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to escape the rat race, there's a passive income stream out there for you. Everyone can find something that fits their lifestyle. This isn't about replacing your day job overnight, it's about creating additional streams of income. It's about planting seeds today that can grow into financial freedom down the road. Small steps now can lead to big rewards later. It's about taking control of your time and building a future where your money works harder than you do. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions. So, what are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Let's dive into the world of passive income and explore the exciting opportunities that await in 2024. Your journey to financial independence begins here. Digital real estate, your online empire awaits. Imagine owning a piece of the internet that works for you around the clock. One of the most lucrative avenues for passive income in 2024 is the world of digital real estate. It's a booming industry with endless possibilities. No, we're not talking about buying virtual mansions in the metaverse, although that's a thing too. We're diving into something more tangible and profitable. We're talking about building and monetizing websites, blogs, and online businesses. These digital assets can become your golden geese. Think of your website as a storefront, open 24/7, attracting customers and generating revenue even while you sleep. It's like having a global business without the overhead costs. The key is to create valuable content that caters to a specific niche. Quality content is what drives traffic and engagement. Are you passionate about sustainable living? Start a blog sharing eco-friendly tips and monetize it through affiliate marketing or by selling your own products. The opportunities are endless when you tap into your passions and expertise. Content is king, but consistency is queen, building your digital content machine. In the digital age, content is king, but creating engaging content, whether it's posts, videos, podcasts, and effort. The good news is you don't need a professional writer or photographer to build a presence. Start by identifying your passions and expertise. What are you genuinely excited to share with the world? Once you've found your niche, focus on creating high quality. Consistency is key to attracting and retaining an audience. The affiliate advantage, earning while you recommend. Ever recommended a product or service to a friend and wished you could get a cut of the sale? Imagine turning those casual recommendations into a steady stream of income. That's the power of affiliate marketing. It's a simple yet effective way to earn money by sharing products you love. As an affiliate, you partner with brands and promote their products or services to your audience. This can be done through blogs, social media, or even YouTube channels. Every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting rewarded for your influence. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win situation. Brands get more exposure and sales while you earn a commission. You're providing valuable recommendations to your audience while earning passive income in the process. It's a great way to monetize your passion. Plus, with the rise of social media and influencer marketing, there are more opportunities than ever to partner with brands and monetize your online presence. The digital landscape is ripe with potential for affiliates. Microtasks, macro rewards, leveraging the power of the gig economy. The gig economy has revolutionized the way we work, offering flexible opportunities to earn income on your own terms. But did you know that you can also leverage microtask platforms for passive income? Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, and Prolific connect businesses with individuals willing to complete small, often repetitive tasks for a fee. These tasks can range from data entry and transcription to image tagging and survey participation. While the pay per task may seem small, the cumulative earnings can add up over time, especially if you're consistent. Start small, dream big. Your journey to passive income begins now. Building passive income streams takes time, effort, and consistency, but the rewards are well worth the investment. Remember, you don't need to quit your day job or become an overnight expert to get started. Start small, focus on your passions, and gradually scale your efforts over time. Whether you're dreaming of early retirement, financial freedom, or simply want to earn extra cash on the side, passive income can help you achieve your goals.